Guys, a very good morning. This is Dr. Anand Kumar. I'm currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology in SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And welcome to my video lecture series number one. And in this video lecture series, we'll start with an interesting topic about artificial intelligence in web technology. And the explanatory topic will be internet, web, and of course the HTTP. Let us start something interesting with how internet works. So regarding the internet, so how can I access the internet? And the objective is internet's working and the terminologies used. We'll be discussing that. And the overview will be the introduction to internet. We'll be seeing about internet versus the world wide web and how does the internet works. And of course, the continuation goes with the applications of internet. So regarding how an internet works, I mean to say an internet provider will be there. There will be some incoming traffics, and the satellite antenna will be receiving that, and the satellite modem will be communicating through the computer, and of course, we'll be using dial-up Ethernet GPRS. I wish or I think you couldn't understand anything about this, and this is about how internet works in some unusable terms. Coming to the usable and to an understandable terms, how is an internet working? It's a major communication between one party to another party using a medium. That's it. So, coming to this explanation of this figure, I'm just drawing around the cursor, and the mouse pointer just points through the, I mean to say, the information sharing starts with a computer and which is connected to the internet or the public telephone network through a modem, and that modem is pulled to an server, and through some routers it has been the line has been used by a dedicated line, and through a router it has been communicating with another computer, sorry. So this is possible through, to be noted, modem, a public telephone network, a LAN server, a router, and some holes. So this is about some technical terminologies. But coming to the internet's explanation and theoretical explanation, we'll start with the theoretical explanation, the first video today. So many people use this internet and the World Wide Web interchangeably, but they are not the same. To be specific, to be frank, internet is nothing but the infrastructure, but World Wide Web is one of the services. So this is explained in these two lines. The internet is the infrastructure. I mean to say this is the physical network of the formulating cables, satellites, and of course the routers. So, what is World Wide Web? Everyone knows World Wide Web, that is www as the internet, but it is a right or wrong terminology. So, I mean to say this is a wrong terminology. The World Wide Web is one of the services that is offered by the internet and that runs on the internet, and it's where the websites and the web pages exits and the accessible through the web pages, I mean to say, are accessible through browsers such as Chrome, Safari, Firefox, etc. So, coming to the basic explanation of how does the internet work. Internet or internet networking describes the process and technologies that allows millions of computers and devices to communicate and to share data efficiently. So, let me explain this figure for you. And internet is achieved and internet is communicated through packets, I mean to say informations are communicated through the internet through the form of packets and through some various protocols, I mean to say there are some rules and regulations for that. So through some protocols we have been using the communication request and the response, I mean to say HTTP request and HTTP response. So through some modes of connection, I mean to say a medium like satellite or 3G, 4G now, the World Wide Web can be accessed, and which the internet comprises of switches and routers and modems, etc. That comprises of the internet's physical aspect, and the total protocols, requests, and the modes of connections are given by the World Wide Web. So to be specific about the protocols is nothing but the rules and regulations or the rules of the road. All devices on the internet follow some sort of communication rules that is said to be protocols, and the most important ones and the most selective ones are discussed here. One is TCP, next one is IP, and then is HTTPS, and then is SMTP. I'll just explain what is what in terms of very simple words. So transmission control protocol, it breaks data into smaller packets. As I told you, information are passed through the packets and ensures they arrive safely. Transmission, control, and protocol. The Internet Protocol assigns the addresses and delivers packets to the correct destination. And HTTPS or HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol and Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure is used for websites, and the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is used for sending mails. So these are somewhat easier to understand and easier to grasp, but this is not everything. And for your information, I'll stop with this today, and the remaining we'll see it in the next class. In the next class, we'll just go with the essentials of internet terminologies and the journey of internet data, World Wide Web versus the internet, and the what is hypertext transfer protocol. For your information, I'm just going to explain a very deep about hypertext transfer protocol in some of the following videos. But in this video, I'll just stop with this explanation, and we'll be going to have a small assessment. So thank you for listening. Thank you.